do you walk back, all the money, take all my money, go, all the money, take all my money. Down in Lanzarote. Take all my money, go, all the money, take all my money, go, all my 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 money. Oh no no.
Hi guys, it's currently 11 a.m. and I'm getting ready to go to work because obviously a girl got a cash out. Can't go on these vacations if you're not working. Can't go if you're not working.
And I work like a dog day and night, living off a coffee from a pot none of you want to touch.
I'm gonna just get ready to go to work, and after that I'm gonna prepare myself to go to Saka's house. So yeah, it is
10:46.
We're gonna leave in an hour. No, 2 hours from now. So I'm gonna take the time to take a nap.
You are a liar. Lies, lies, lies.
And get my energy up. I need my energy to be high. I'm so excited to go. I'm so excited.
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, release.
Touchdown in Lanzarote!
We made it, guys.
The adventures of Lanzarote.
Yes.
Hi, welcome to the suite.
But the outside is great.
The living room. Oh my god, I'm so excited because
I found this one.
oh, and this is the living room, and I'm most excited about this room. This is Sarah's bedroom with dreams. Absolutely amazing. It's so beautiful. And then you have like a little corner. You can just sit.
It gives like a Lucas vibe.
Come in.
Oh my gosh, you can see me in the mirror.
It's so pretty. It matters. It matters where you sleep.
It really does.
So here's the kitchen where we'll be cooking. You probably won't, but okay. This is another bathroom, and then we have this one, which is gonna be mine and Molly's bedroom. Yeah. I'm so excited about doing my makeup here.
Ja, we hebben grotere speakers, hebben ook beter.
I'm excited about doing my makeup here.
En de douches ook.
I'm excited about doing my makeup here, buying the perfume I just smelled. Especially buying the perfume I just smelled.
That's the only thing she's thinking about. Oh guys, it was like a long morning. Something we didn't really expect with the Airbnb because we had to wait.
He did apologize. He just sent me a long message.
Oh,
he apologized.
Then it's fine. I feel like as long as someone takes accountability, it's okay. You're forgiven. But we had to wait, kind of. But we ate something. We talked. We had like a heart-to-heart moment, and it was worth the while because look at this.
It is fantastic.
Look at this.
Fantastic.
And just nobody's going like this.
No, it's nice. It's nice. It's nice.
We're just walking around, sightseeing. Yes. We're gonna get some perfumes, from the Arabic store. If we are even in time, because I think they're gonna close in a few minutes. But I hope we'll be in time.
We'll be fine.
I hope so.
The wind is playing on my hair.
En daar is het openbaar vervoer.
Is that openbaar vervoer?
Ja.
Oh, you look so pretty.
Thank you, girlie.
Of wil je eerst wat anders?
On va s'afficher dans la zone, les gars savent pas qu'elle a son bébé. Comment est-ce que je fais pour te croiser? Excusez-moi madame, comment je fais pour te croiser? Est-ce que je peux te draguer? Non.
Je vais quand même te regarder.
Bah oui, je peux te regarder.
Non?
Bah oui.
Ah oui, hein.
Bah oui.
I bought myself some perfumes because their perfumes were out of stock. So we have to go back tomorrow to get theirs. Today was a good day. It's not over yet. We're gonna go to our last activity. It's eating, obviously. So I'm really excited to go and see what Serenity has to offer. Jongens, we hebben parfum gehaald.
Parfum, ja.
Ja. We gaan nog een keer, want ik vind leuk wanneer je het zegt.
Wat zei je?
Parfum.
Parfum.
Jongens, we hebben parfum gehaald.
Ja, parfum.
Parfum. Dat klinkt zo bougie eigenlijk.
Ja,
Parfum.
Het is super rustig hier. Kijk, je ziet het ook.
No, again, chop life before life chops you. Actually,
It's okay, it's okay!
because life was about to chop me, and I decided
It was
for
not. God forbid.
God forbid. Life was not chopping me.
Nor
I was doing
chopping
so
life.
fun.
You were doing the chopping.
I am doing the chopping.
Yeah.
I'm getting ready for our dinner. I'm wearing a dress from Meshki actually today. It's pretty cute. It's also not that hot outside. That's why I just opted for a thicker dress. But I'm glad I actually took the dress because yeah, it's not as hot. But we already knew it. Like, it's November. Obviously, it's not gonna be that hot. Let's get ready. First, we have our fragrances. I use the Sol de Janeiro body spray in the number 62. I'm just gonna spray it everywhere. And then I'll go in with a new fragrance. I bought this one here. It's an Arabic scent. It's vanilla on the beach. Also put it on the dress. And then obviously my beloved Kayali. My earrings are just from Shein, by the way. Hi, girlie. Hi.
Ik denk eigenlijk 160, maar ik denk dat we ongeveer 40 pp hebben uitgegeven. Maar Mani heeft dan ook die punt gemaakt. Ik heb alleen nog iets genomen. Dat zijn uiteindelijk ook 18 euro.
Mijn eten was ook maar 18 euro. 20 euro.
Ja, dus eigenlijk niet. Ik denk ook. Ja, maar ik ga nog geen 160 euro kopen.
Maar dat is niet mee. Ja, die vond ik wel.
Ja, die wel.
Dat was ook maar 4 euro. Waren die lekker?
Oh, ik vond het wel lekker. Heel lekker. Dus 120, 140, 160. Dreamy. 120? 120. 100, 120. 100, 120.
It's your girl Yazzie.
It's your girl Hajiaz. Back at it again with another video. Hey, back at it again with another video. Hey.
Good morning, guys. It is the 28th of November and we just woke up. I woke up around like 8:45 a.m. and I decided to just stay in bed because I was so tired. We're gonna go to the mall very quickly to get their perfumes, and afterwards we're gonna go ride camels. We're gonna ride the camels, and then after that we are gonna go to the spa because we deserve that. Encore tu pleures pour une histoire de love. Je te l'ai donné. We're going to go camel riding later.
Yes, but breakfast first.
Breakfast first. Hi, Molly. Doesn't Molly look super rich? Like,
Oh my god.
she looks like
is.
she is.
Taking for a fortune.
Take it in. We are manifesting for you, girl. No, not even. We're praying for you. We're praying. They're eating for real. They're eating.
Of moeten jullie ook shows?
We zijn echt Nederlands voor. Oh. Eet smakelijk, Marley.
Thank you.
Back it up, y'all. Come over. Back it up, y'all.
Oh, okay.
Wat een toy is. Stranger Things box. You're unboxing, girlie. Dit is your moment.
Spicy nuggets. Ik had echt zin in water.
Dustin. It's Dustin. How cute. Dustin is such a cutie. It's Dustin. Oh.
Kijk, we zijn geëindigd als ontbijt. Nee, hoe zeg je to learn?
Je peux étudiar. No, étudiar es studeren. Je quiero
Estudiar
no.
idioma.
Idioma.
El idioma español.
El idioma español, oké.
Muy bien, muy bien. gusta España.
España.
¿Y Canarias?
Oh,
Canarias.
me gusta.
Sí, mucho.
Oh, yes, please. Doe met jou.
Un momento.
Hij is goed gaan maken. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, jongens.
Sarah, eerlijk? Aya is echt een baddie.
Oh, dat is echt. Aya is een baddie.
Aya is een baddie. We're going to the spa. Change of outfits. To the spa. Let's go to the spa. Alles gelijk in de goed.
Dan zien we niet stelen.
Zien we niet stelen?
Laten we naar de receptie gaan.
I just saw black women.
Who are you rooting for tonight?
I'm rooting for everybody black. I am.
We're getting ready to go to the spa, but we're not allowed to film because, you know, they can't handle it. Get a little spa treatment, get a little massage here and there.
I already put on mine.
I need to put mine on actually. You do. Guys, I'm currently getting my spa. Exciting. How do you guys feel?
Wat hebben jullie gekozen? Benen of rug en...
Allebei gedaan.
Ik heb schouder... Je hebt allebei gekregen?
I got a little tea, but
Waarom zei dat? Dat is
that was wel echt lekker.
de backstory dat ik eerst geen optie kreeg.
Yeah, guys. It looks like I'm a man in black, but it's the massage, it's the massage.
Een beetje ashy of zoiets.
Is dat allemaal een beetje ashy?
Ik heb het kam opgedaan.
Nee,
Dat is het wel een probleem.
You require more.
You will cry more!
You require.
Absoluut. La fileuse à la froid.
Was een beetje koud.
This is the outfit of the night, guys.
Outfit of the night, guys.
Outfit of the night, yeah.
Pero el restaurante, bueno, esto es recepción del hotel.
So pretty, so
Recepción del
pretty.
hotel. Y para el restaurante, es que para beber,
Oké.
no, dice que no.
Oké,
No,
oké.
sabe no.
Ja,
Lokaal
als er donkere
dentro.
mensen ons vragen om te drinken, moeten we nee zeggen.
Oké.
Als-
Ze konden zien wat hier was, hè?
Als we net voor zonsondergang waren, kon dan nog...
Net voor. En dan we beginnen de dag eten met ons gaan en we oké, stik op je met.
Well,
Thank you so much.
thank you very much.
Dan doet dat. Oké.
Nee, Tara is de stad klaar. Micha, oei.
Het is wel lekker.
Ja, echt lekker.
Hij is echt lekker. The outfits are eating yin and yang. Yin and yang. We're gonna go buggy riding today. And this is my outfit. Shout out to Dreams and Sarah because I messed up my outfits. So I had to wear something quickly. But yeah, I'm so excited for the buggy ride. Today's gonna be such an exciting day. We're gonna be driving the buggy. And right now we're just going to eat some brunch. And after that, they're gonna come pick us up at the hotel we were yesterday. Yeah, such a cute placey. And then, yeah, I'm so excited. And it's just gonna be so much fun. Yesterday we drove on the camels. That was very fun. Oh my god, that was one of the one of the most exciting things I've done.
It really was just like when you go on like een achtbaan, even vergeten hoe je dat in het Engels zegt.
A roller coaster.
Sorry guys, sometimes you know being bilingual it's hard. Anyways, But like, yeah, I was just laughing. I could not stay serious. So, but it was fun. It was very much fun, and we're excited to see what's to come.
I'm so excited.
We're so excited.
Moeten we weer terug naar Namaste? It's not expensive. Oh, ik heb mijn hele box buiten. Dat is even bang. You know it's not the same as it was in this world. You know it's not the same as it was. As it was.
Are you okay? I'm not okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. The views are beautiful though, guys. Get ready for How do you feel? How do you feel, Mali?
Bro, I don't even know how I feel.
How do you feel, Julie? How was it? How do you guys feel? Hey! Ik wil het ook nog eens doen, guys.
If you bring me home, I will never do this again. Ik ga dus mijn foto nog een keer doen.
Guys, next time doen we dat in de Dominicaanse Republiek, ja? En dan heeft Misha rijbewijs, gaat Misha doen. We made it out alive.
We made it out alive. Thank God.
We look crazy.
We look crazy.
Cry there.
Oh, that's pretty.
The pictures are so cute.
Yes, nice. Yes, it was amazing.
Je m'en rappelle.
Door jou zit echt mijn shoe.
Oh, it was so much fun.
Es safari, ¿no?
Yeah.
Safari. Ah, perfecto, sí. Eso es Famara. Famara.
Comer restaurante.
¿Qué restaurante?
Blue 17.
¿Eh?
Blue 17. Hotel.
O arriba.
Arriba.
Ah, arriba. Oh.
Like baby had het hotel dan just to cover their own check, restaurant, to cover their own checks. Hebben ze dat gewoon verwijderd. Want dan krijg je één logcase, hè.
Hi guys, it's currently 11:54. So yeah, we're just getting ready to head out and go brunch and then leave to the airport. I'm so not looking forward to that. But yeah, to everything comes an end, and to this trip there's an end as well. It was so much fun. I had the most beautiful, calm, relaxing vacation, and I can't wait to do this again because obviously it's never enough. But yeah.
yeah, I forgot to say. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope y'all had a fun time watching me and my friends go out, have fun, make the most out of our young years. And I heard that I can do this more often. But you know what? Money is low. So let's get rich first. Thanks for watching.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. Wat is dat nou ook weer? Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday.
And right now, you can get 50% up. No, 50.
And right now,
You can get 50
pounds
off
for a
per
family
person.
of two.
Nee,
Per person.
per person.
So for a family of 4, that would be $200.
Nee, wacht.
Guys, moet je even
Nothing
opzoeken.
beats. No, no, hold my hand. Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. And right now, you can save 50 pounds per person. And that's 200 pounds off for a family of 4. Yeah, that was it.
Baby, like smooth. What? Can you teach me how to do it? You know why? Cause all the bitches love it. Ay. All I need is a beat that's super bumpin'. And for you to back it up and dump it. Get it. Put your arms out front, lean side to side.